Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to find the area of a triangle using matrix. Now the area of the triangle with vertices s1, y1, s2, y2 and s3, y3 is calculated by 1/2 times absolute value of determinant of the matrix A, where matrix A is s1, y1, S2, Y2, S3, Y3, right? Look at the first two columns right here. You just reorganize this one, right? Now, the third column, you just put 1, 1, 1, right? Now, let's take a look at the first example. Find the area of the triangle with the given vertices. So, we're going to create the matrix A, right? Now, in order to calculate the determinant of this matrix, I just copy the first two columns on the right here, right? If you want to review how to calculate the determinant of the 3x3 matrices, please check out the link in the description below. Alright, so determinant of the matrix A is, I'm going to start from the upper left to bottom right, right? So it could be like this. So 0 times 1/2 times 1, it should be 0. -4 times 1 times 2, it should be -8. 1 times -3 times -1 should be +3. Subtract. Now, bottom left to top right. 2 times 1/2 times 1 should be 1. -1 times 1 times 0 should be 0. 1 times -3 times -4 should be 12, right? And it should be -18, right? Now, error equals 1/2 times absolute value of determinant of the matrix A, right? So it's going to be 1/2 times absolute value of -18, and it's going to be 9, right? Now, question B, similar to question A. I'll leave this one for you to practice. The answer for this one is 9.375. And the answer for question C is 1.62. And it's your time to stop. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.